Welcome back. Vice-Chancellor of Goa University, Dr. Satish Shetye, has expressed disgust over the directionless progress of the students and parents in the education sector. Vice-Chancellor says that recently concluded election in Goa University had only political propagandas and no student or parents or even faculty members demanded extra seats or new courses. Shetye says it's a total failure of the system.
Vice-Chancellor of Goa University, Dr. Satish Shetye, was in a different mood during the two-day seminar on socio-economic inequities and the health sector at Rosary College, Naveli. He expressed that recently Goa University elections agenda was only political, having no concerns about academic development.
We do conduct elections, 3 weeks of concern for the university, which has just concluded, but not one student came forward to say, look, these are the demands of the students. We need more seats in the society for these programs. And I think that is a failure. No parent came forward to demand that these seats be increased. No politicians came forward. No faculty members came forward to say we need to change this. I think this is systems failure in terms of assertiveness of what the society needs from the educational system.
Pratik Parab for Prudent.
JMF Simargaon has acquitted Kavish Gosavi in temple desecration cases. He has been acquitted in 2 cases of Kepe and Bali. Kavish has alleged that he was pressurized by Goa police to mention CM Manohar Parrikar and MP Sripad Naik's name in the case.
मागीर म्हाका शॉक ट्रीटमेंट बीन दिली तेंच्यांनी म्हळ्यार मनोहर पर्रेकर आनी श्रीपाद नायक नांव घे म्हणून शॉक ट्रीटमेंट बीन दिलें. हांवें सांगलें तुमच्यान जाता कर म्हळ्यार हांव कोर्टांतल्यान घेतो म्हणून. आनी ह्या भशेन तेंच्यान म्हाजेर एकार एक केस घालीत गेले ते म्हाजे. पणजे बाटल्या म्हणटा हांवें केन्ना पळयलें ना. पणजे बाटल्या म्हणटा थंयची केस घातली. मागीर कुडचड्या वयली केस घातली. मागीर कुंकळे ती घातली म्हाजी आजोबा घुमटीची. ती आज आजोबा घुमटीची केस एक्वीट जाला आज म्हाजी.
एक हितूंतल्यान एक्वीट जाला काय सगळे?
दोन हितूंतल्यान एक्वीट जाला. सोमेश्वर टेंपला थंय एक्वीट जाला केप्यां. हय केप्यां ती एक भायर पडला आनी टोटल 8 हितूंतले तेंच्यांनी 4 केसी चार्जशीट केल्या. ती जाल्यार हायकोर्टान ऑर्डर दिली म्हणून चार्जशीट केला. हायकोर्टान ऑर्डर दिल्ली की 2 म्हयन्या भितर तुमी कितें आहा ते एविडन्स दाखया म्हणून कोर्टाक चार्जशीट म्हणून तेंच्यांनी 2 म्हयन्या भितर चार्जशीट फायल केल्या 4 केसीची खाली आनी बाकी आहा ते चार्जशीट फायल केले ना अजून.
कवेशाचें खूब फावटी नार्को एनालिसीस केल्लें आनी आमकां अशें एविडन्स मेळ्ळें की कवेशान फक्त पुलिसाच्या अगेन्स्ट स्टेटमेंट दिवपा सोडून नार्को एनालिसीस आनी कांयच सांगलें नाशिल्लें. ती बी सीडी आमी म्हणटात की जाण जावन पुलिसांनी कोर्टा मुखार हाडना. आपल्याचें बिंग फुटत म्हणून स्वता सांबाळपा प्रयत्न केलो पूण तरी पसून कोर्टान आज सत्य मुखार आयला आनी कोर्टान कवेशा एक्वीट केला.
CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado has unearthed kiosks and handcart scam committed from the year 2010 to 2012. Furtado has said that few councillors forged commissioner's signature and allotted kiosks. Mayor has decided to hand over the case to Lokayukt if Vigilance Department fails to act within 1 month.
CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado is surprised with the kiosks and handcart scam committed from 2010 to 2012. CCP commissioners' signatures were forged by few councillors to allot kiosks.
I just can't explain to you, I am dumbfounded, I can't explain to you that even these gadas, they were scams. They were cut and paste signatures of the commissioners. Mr. Sanjit Rodriguez has also told you that his signatures were cut and paste by certain corporators. I am ashamed to tell that in the capital city, ex-corporators, in one name there are 4 gadas. It was in 2010, 2011, 2012, it even came up in the assembly.
Mayor has decided to hand over the Gada scam case to the Lokayukt.
But on Monday, I will sit with my commissioner. I will officially write to the Vigilance Department. And if the Vigilance Department don't act, then that files from Vigilance Department and the officers concerned, I will send to the Lokayukt to find out why the Vigilance Department is not acting.
Tourism Department has asked the CCP to clean the Miramar beach, for which the autonomous body will get 80,000 rupees per month. The memorandum of understanding in this regard will be signed shortly. CCP has also opposed Marine Police jetty at Ribandar. A video journalist Omkar Ferrari for Prudent.
Robbers decamped with 8 smartphones in the wee hours of Friday in Anjuna. Robbers also fled with cash worth 21,000 rupees. The loss is estimated up to 91,000 rupees.
This is the place known as Tito in Anjuna. Some robbers broke open the lock of the shop and made their way into the shop.
राती 3:30-4 सकाळी चोरी जाल्या 91,000 लॉस जाला 7 to 8 पीसीस ना जाले सगळे टच स्क्रीन मोबाईल गॅलक्सी S3 आनी सगळे
टोटल कितले मोबाईल
टोटल 7 to 8 मोबाईल आसले 91,000 लॉस ऑल जाला एस्टिमेट 91,000 कॅश 21,000 सगळे एस्टिमेट 91,000.
Anjuna police, fingerprint experts and dog squad were roped at the scene of robbery. Reporter Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.